Okay, I gotta be honest, I failed uploading a video last week, but that's not because I don't want to, but after I released my first vlog, opportunities came. And yes, creating a great film every week is just so hard to do. But this time, I will try my best more to upload every week. And yeah, that's all. And let's go back to the vlog. On November 2017, I traveled to Camiguin with friends from Manila, Ryan Tanyada and his girlfriend Janela Quaton, and a co-filmmaker friend Malone De Mesa, with the purpose of attending the LUTS festival and to do charity work, which is what Ryan always does as a way of giving back. But because we had only booked our flights while the said festival was already ongoing, we ended up being too late when we arrived. The good thing is, there's so much to do around Camiguin, so we decided to tour the island instead. All was wow. Day 1. We arrived early in the morning and headed over to our friend Talia Bardil's home, which is called the HILLTOP Camiguin, where she let us stay for free.
Yeah, it is the white beach. This is the famous white beach here in Camiguin, and later maybe makadtumidya kay if mawala ng ulan. So right now mga tulog sa mi kay kapoy ni Jude. Before going to sleep, I will show you first our room. So let's get inside, but di pa ni siya maong room, mapun yung vlog sala-sala nila. Just look how big it is. This is the second floor. Let's go downstairs. Napa yung mga unfinished, wala pa naman. Ang kiniwo, amazing. Saan yung para tungkol? Pusil. Hilig yung gano'n dito. Boom! 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 ¡Swum! 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 Esta es la mosquitera bienaventurada. Podrás matar un mosquito tigre a 20 kilómetros. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. But they fought with expertise. Yeah, let's get inside. So many. That's Malone. He's asleep kay kapoy na sad. So ako matulog na kapag ko kay para ako'y energy for later.
Morning guys. It's already 10:50 a.m. so I just slept for 4 hours, I think.
We're up and it's 1 p.m.
On our first day, we visited the Tungato Cove, where we got a scenic view of the old volcano, also known as Mount Vulcan. We then visited the old church ruins, the remnants of an old church that was destroyed when Mount Vulcan erupted several times in the 1870s.
And now we're here sa the ruins.
We also went to Pahayan Hills, one of the highest points in Camiguin, where we visited the Fivox Volcano Observatory, which tracks the activity of Mount Hibok-Hibok and other volcanoes in the island. Camiguin has 7 volcanoes, all of which have shaped the province to what it is today. Through their volcanic eruptions in the past, this is why it is called the island born of fire. After a long day, we had a barbecue night and went to buy goods for our planned charity work. Day 2. Camiguin is not just made of a single island, It also has smaller islands like White Island, a famous white sandbar facing the spectacular Mount Kibo. And then we hopped to Montigi Island, which features lush greenery, powder white sand, and rich marine life frequented by snorkelers and free divers. Wow, this is just one of the best sunsets ever. Actually, this is my first time flying my drone up in the middle of the sea, and yeah, it's kinda...
We are now on our way to Katibawasan Falls.
Day 3. On our third day, we visited the beautiful Katibawasan Falls, and then Taguines Lagoon, a man-made lake engulfed by an old volcano crater. I also got to ride the zip line, which gave me a breathtaking view of the lake. Like literally a breathtaking view. Unfortunately, my camera was not able to record the experience, but I'll never forget the thrill of it.
Guys, we're here now at the Katibawasan Falls. You can just see it there. Ang taas niya, promise.
Day 4. We spent our last day going around the island on our scooters. It's such a small island that you can literally travel around by land in just a matter of hours. This was also when we distributed the donations to random people around the island. Camiguin is one of a must-visit islands in the Philippines, with its waterfalls, cold springs, hot springs, volcanoes, white sand beaches, old churches, the famous sunken cemetery, and especially its rich history. Even though the trip lasted for only 4 days, it really changed my outlook in life. In the short amount of time that I spent traveling around the beautiful island of Camiguin, I realized that I wanted to make the most out of my life by pursuing my passions, that is film and travel. Traveling with these friends also encouraged me to help others in the future, to give back in any way that I can when I am finally able to. After all, I was given 2 hands, one to help myself and one to help other people. You are amazing, Camiguin, and I am surely coming back.